Okay, 19 is a little bit harder to figure out just by looking at it. It's obviously part of B, but not all of B. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go through all four choices and just, show you what they would look like. So on number A, I've got B intersect A union C. So let me draw a Venn diagram here with A and B and C. And I'm going to start with the A union C. Let me make this bigger because it's going to take too long. There we go. Okay, A union C means they want everything in A and everything in C at the same time. Okay, and then it says to intersect that with B, and B is this. And when you intersect the yellow and the blue, I get the green, and that would be the answer. And for this picture up here, it would be this area, these three pieces, because that's what I'm seeing here. So obviously, it's not A. It's not A. Okay, so let's go to choice B. Let's see. That's this one. And now the next one. A and B and C. Okay, now this one also wants A union C, but then it wants the complement of that. Okay. In the previous problem, I shaded it all in, like in this box right here, I shaded A union C in yellow, and it was all of A and all of C. This time they want A union C, but the complement of that. So it would be everything outside of A and C. Like this. Okay, so that would be the complement. That is everything outside. And then they want you to, again, intersect that. We're going to intersect it with, let's see, pink and blue make purple. So we'll do B again in blue. And here's B. And we're looking for where they intersect. And when you intersect red and blue, you get purple. And so where they overlap, ding, 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 we have a winner. It's this right here. That's it right there. I'm trying to highlight this in purple, but it's already purple. So it's B. It's B. It's B. Okay. Now just for fun, because I'm sure you're wondering, well, what do the other ones look like, April? Okay, I will show you. Because you never know, you might be generated a different question, so, or a different picture. Okay. We're back to A union C again. And again, A union C is A union C, right? That is all of this, all of A, and all of C. Make sure you have those two circles highlighted. But this time they want the complement of B. Okay. And then we're going to be looking for the intersection of those. So I don't want to do B and blue. I guess I'll go with green. I don't know how this is going to work, but We want the complement of B. So the complement of B would be outside of B, right? Outside of B. Oh, this is just going to be green on top of yellow, isn't it? Yep, it'd be all of that. That didn't work too well. Because I'm looking for where the green and the yellow intersect, and my green just totally obliterated my yellow. Well, darn it. Okay. Let's go back to the blue again. Just realize that this time when I'm using the blue, I'm doing the complement. I know in the previous two drawings I used blue, or let's use teal blue. Maybe this will work. Okay. Let's use teal blue for complement of B. Oh yeah, that'll work. So here's circle B. We want everything outside of B. Aww. Very cool. Okay. And we are looking for where that color should match the intersection, which would be in that bright greenish color. That would be your answer there. So for this one, the final answer would look like this. It'd be this region. I'd be hitting 1, 2, and 3. I'd be hitting 3 regions. That's that one. That is these two. All right. Because this one is this one. Okay. And then the last one, D. This is C. This is B. This is A. B, C. So D, don't have much room here. We got A, and we got B, and we got C. Okay, now this time it wants A intersect C. A intersect C, that would be this eyelet right here. That is where A and C intersect. And then you want to union that with B. B. And B is all of this. And so that's B. So the union would be the whole thing. And I'm just going to obliterate it in red. The union would be all of this. All of this. Everything in red. That'd be the union. That shape right there. Oh boy. Okay. Sorry it took so long, but B is definitely the answer to my given picture. So there you go.